In this tutorial we will redeem SigmaUSD for Ergos. The first thing we will do is open the SigmaUSD website to configure our wallet. We open Yoroi to copy our address. Go back to the SigmaUSD website and paste the address and click Save. It will indicate that the wallet has been configured successfully. We can check in the balance that the 100 SigmaUSD of our wallet already appears. In the web we go to stablecoin, and where it indicates redeem SigmaUSD we will write the amount and immediately it will calculate the fees and the ergo we will receive. In our case it will be 9.3 ergos. Click on Redeem. A message will appear indicating that we must send the 100 SigmaUSD to the following wallet. If we click on the address it will be copied to our clipboard. We return to Yoroi. We select Send. We select the asset SigmaUSD. In the destination address we paste the address that we have in the clipboard, and in amount we indicate the amount, which in our case are 100. We click on Next. We write our expenses password and click on Send. We can verify that before the transaction takes place, our balance is 3 ergos. We return to the SigmaUSD website and it will indicate that the operation is correct and pending to be mined. After a few minutes we can see on Yoroi that the transaction has been successfully completed and our balance has changed to a total of 12 ergos. Finally, we can check the SigmaUSD website in the dashboard that shows us the balance and the history with the operation that we have carried out.